Audit evidence, something used by the auditor in arriving a conclusion. So the same audit documentation, he said the audit evidence na, so something he need to conclude. For that he needs something, that is conclusion he need to draw. For that conclusion he needs some evidence. That evidence is audit evidence. So the auditor's opinion is information used by the auditor to arriving at the conclusion on which auditor opinion is based. Audit evidence includes both information contained in the accounting records underlying the financial statements and information obtained from other sources. Other sources and see sufficiency of audit evidence and appropriateness of audit evidence. To clear this thought and clear this understanding, we need to see this. What? Because evidence is here is said as two things: internal and external. What is internal evidence? Based upon the books of accounts and financials, we say something that is internal. External evidence is like a supplier. We can confirm that in supplier what is the outstanding balance, and for out our debtors, is the debtors a related party or what is happening. Such a way of data we collected, that is external evidence. Their outstanding balance, is the contract is true, is any kind of contingent liability we need to incur, we going to be incurred, we getting some external confirmation on that. That all comes under the external evidence. Okay.